Welcome to the world of Longbank coffee makers. Today we recommend this capsule coffee maker is a sophisticated and smart coffee maker which will bring you a coffee experience like never before. This capsule coffee maker is designed with a drawer capsule case, which is convenient and easy to use, compatible with DG, Enco, Ground. Choose to enjoy various flavors of coffee to your heart's content. What's more, Longbank has endowed this coffee maker with automatic capsule type recognition and selection of brewing temperature to make your coffee taste richer and meet consumers' individual needs. With just one touch, slide the screen to choose the cup size, precisely control the water, temperature and capsule dosage, and create your own delicious flavor, whether it some morning pick-me-up or an afternoon relaxation. You can meet the demand. Choose Longbank capsule coffee maker to start your journey of branded customized coffee. It's an opportunity not to be missed.